Okay, this is the ADU, the Stevens ADU. This is day one on foundation. So I'm gonna take you over here real quick before I discuss the actual foundation. We have the electric panel right here, and that goes under, and what we're gonna do is there's a little pathway here. We're gonna trench all the electrical to our new 100 amp sub panel. So down here, and it'll go right to this corner right there. We have a sewer clean out right here, 3-inch, which we're utilizing. So that's gonna branch off down here, down the middle, and catch both bathrooms and kitchen and laundry. And then our water, we actually have fire sprinklers on this one. So our water is gonna come up right here with a fire sprinkler panel on the exterior, shoot all the way down there and down the other side of the house, which we already have a 1-inch line with a separate shutoff, not a separate meter. So that will be it. There's no gas on this one, all electric. Our footings call for 12 by 12, so that's what we have. And this area right here is gonna be the 20 by 30, 1 bedroom, 1 bath with living and kitchen. This section's an outdoor bathroom with a sink and a toilet. And this area is all covered patio. So we have a straight gable truss, which means like this, all the way through. So the overhang will be out onto this, and we'll have a nice built-in patio with a 12-foot slider right here. So anyways, this is the first part you have to do. We're gonna try to video all the different phases of this, try to help people out if they want to build one on their own. We build a lot of these, so any questions, let us know. Up next will be underground, like I mentioned, all the trenching, and the forms we'll have up, and then we'll tie steel after that. So look for that next video.